Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how to assign materials in Rhino and how we will be using the materials that we assigned in Rhino in Twinmotion. So let's get started. So at the moment we have this tower that has three different materials, glass as well as the wall as well as the railing. So we put them in three different layers, and we can just assign different material to each layer. And it doesn't really matter what sort of material you assign in Rhino. You can assign whatever material you want in Rhino, as long as it is different materials. You can change it in Twinmotion. So we'll set the first one as plaster. The second one is glass, so I'm just going to set it as glass. And to differentiate it, I'm just going to assign colors to it as well. And lastly, the railing, I'm just going to assign metal to the railing. And once I assigned all the materials, I can check the materials in a rendered view, so you can see how all the materials has been assigned. And once it's assigned, I can just go back to my shaded view and synchronize the model. So now the new model with the materials will be showing in Twinmotion. Here we go. We can see how there's three different materials set to this building, and we can change it now in Twinmotion. So let's just say we assign glass to the windows, so you can see how we can easily change all the glass in the building. And now we can just go back and choose a different material. Let's just say concrete for the facade, and we can assign concrete to the facade. And if you scroll down, you can also play around with the scale as well as the colors and everything on this side. And lastly, we can just assign a third material to our third element. Let's just assign wood to it. And again, you can just play around with the scale on this end and rotation. And yeah, you can see how the three materials that we assigned in Rhino can be easily changed here, where if you just import the model as it is, the Twinmotion would treat all the elements as one thing and it will assign one material to it. So this is how you can assign different materials in Twinmotion.